This is how to create a cinematic glow effect in DaVinci Resolve. By holding Alt, we are going to duplicate our footage. With our footage selected, we're going to press right click and open in Fusion page. Over here, we are going to hold Shift and space and type Luma. We are looking for this Luma gear. Add it. Now we need to select only the part that we want to glow. So in Gamma, we are going to lower a little bit down until the person disappears. So 0.3 or 4, it's fine in my case. Then we are going to hold Shift and space and now type soft glow. Add. Next thing is to lower down the gain. Maybe around like 1.3, 1.4. And the glow size, it's up to your liking. So this glow, it's fine, like 30, 40. Let's type 35. So now we need to go to the edit to see it. This is with the effect on and this is with the effect off. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.